Are you targeting the right keywords? Well, my name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at Pro Lemon. In this quick video, we'll be going through on how to choose the right keywords for your website to rank on Google. Awesome. Let's jump straight to it. So as you can see on my screen here, where I am at hrefs.com. It's a free keyword generator. There's many tools. We've covered a whole tutorial on all these tools, so do check that out. It is on this channel. Speaking about this channel, do leave a like, comment, subscribe, click on the notification button so that you can get notified as we release videos on a daily to help you better your SEO. Awesome. Let's jump straight to it. So, so what are keywords? Let's start there. So keywords are practically words or phrases that people use to search for information on search engines. Search engines is Google and so on. So the right keywords can really break or make your SEO efforts. So it's crucial to know the different types of keywords as well as which ones that you are going for. Awesome. So the first one is broad match keywords. So broad match keywords are a little bit open up in the air. For example, digital marketing. So digital marketing, there's so much in digital marketing. There's SEO, there's PPC, there is graphic design and so on. So it depends on your niche. So that is broad match keywords. The second one is long tail keywords, and long tail keywords are more specific phrases that usually consist of 3 or more words. So long tail keywords may have lower search volume, but they often get results and get higher conversion rates because they are so specific. For example, the example that we use at first, which is digital marketing, will be best digital marketing companies in London. So that would be a very, very niche one. And it is a very good keyword, especially if you are beginning with your SEO efforts. So you would want to go for a long tail keyword. Awesome. Then there's the short tail keyword. That I think that's the one we mostly use, mainly because yeah, that's how we search as people. So short tail keywords, pardon me, opposite of long tail keywords. They're short general phrases that typically consist of 1 or 2 words. While they may bring more traffic, more impressions to your website, but the competition is high. So as we mentioned, the example of digital marketing, it's sort of a broad keywords, but it's really short. So there's so much. They could be looking for digital market strategy, digital marketing company. So it's really broad. Awesome. Branded keywords. So that's the next one. So let's talk about branded keywords. So these include your brand names or variations of it. So optimizing for branded keywords help you increase visibility for your own business that you might already have, mainly because you're getting branded search. For instance, if your company's name is Tech Genius, you obviously want to optimize for that. So it will be Tech Genius SEO services or something like that. So yeah, that's something to keep in mind. Then the next one is really important. So it is product and service keywords. So majority of the people lose this, especially when they're optimizing. They just want to say, hey, this is who we are, but actually people are searching for a service. But anyway, that's just my opinion. These are product or service pages that are specific to what your business offers. So if you sell smartphones, you want to optimize for terms such as latest iPhone model and so on. And yeah, so that's something to bear in mind. So those are just majority of the keywords. Of course, there are more like competitor keywords, local keywords, but you know. Anyway, we cover that in the next video. So do subscribe, leave a comment, engage with us. We'd love to hear from you. Stalk us at Pro Lemon for any SEO tips that you may need. Till the next video. Bye.